One page profits, review, demo, and $3,797 bonus. And the inside of the members area looks like this. So right now I'm going to show you a full demo. We're going to go through the members area. We're going to see everything there is to know about one page profits. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the dashboard. We have the campaign manager right here. So you have all of these campaigns. You can see all of your campaigns. You can view them. You can duplicate them. You have all the stats. So we have all the traffic stats. And the cool thing is that right here on the top, as you can see, it says how it works. After publishing your campaign, One Page Profits is going to generate hundreds of backlinks for your pre-sale page during the next 20 days. This will bring free traffic to your pages, and the process is automatically generated in the background, so you don't need to do anything. Okay, so me personally, when I'm creating my blog posts, I have to do all the SEO work myself. Okay, so I have a couple of different advanced SEO softwares, so it takes me like an hour in addition to creating the blog posts. Then I have to go and buy Fiverr gigs. I have to go and buy SEO clerks gigs. I have to go to some websites that I use for free as well to create all the backlinks, all the video embeds, all the social signals, etc. You don't have to do any of it. Okay, so all of the backlinking stuff is done for you in the background, and all you have to do is create a campaign. So let's create a campaign right now. We're gonna click on create new campaign, and it's super easy. So as I said, you have 5 done for you campaigns ready. Okay, so let's check them out. We have ClickBank University 2.0. So let's open it up and let's see how this looks like. Essentially, this is a bonus page. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the logos, all the headlines, the video, everything is done for you. We have all the text here ready. So essentially this is a pre-sale page or a bonus page that you will be sending the traffic to, and then on the bottom you have your affiliate link. So after going through the page, people click on your link and they will get the product. So we have everything. We have testimonials. These pages look amazingly beautiful. So it really makes a big difference if you have like an ugly blog page versus these beautifully designed pages. Okay, so as you can see right here on the bottom, we have the green button. This is where you're going to be adding your affiliate link. Okay, so as you can see, again, all of this is done for you, and this is just one page. We have Ted's Woodworking. This is one of the best-selling products on ClickBank, and the cool thing is that you're getting 5 done for you campaigns in 5 different niches. Okay, so we have woodworking right here. No one knows why, but this is one of the best selling products on ClickBank, $67, and it's about woodworking. Very weird, right? But you have a pre-sale page ready for this product as well. Then we have Lepti Fox or Lepti Talks. I don't even know what it is, but it's probably one of the best selling products as well. Again, a different niche. All of this is done for you. This is a video sales letter right here. So we have the 5-second hack that kills food cravings. Makes sense. Then another one, manifestation magic, another one of these weird niches that makes, hundreds of thousands of dollars on ClickBank. So again, we have everything right here, all done for you. And then we have his secret obsession. So this is probably dating or something. So we have all that ready for you. And this is a video sales letter again. So you have all of these done for you pages, and again, you can use them as is, or you can edit them, and you can use these pages for any other promotion. Okay, so if you want to use the ClickBank University 2.0 page and promote any other product from the internet marketing and make money online niche, you can. And as you can see right here, we can customize the page. Okay, so we are gonna add the campaign name, the ClickBank ID. Another cool thing is that you can add a pixel code right here. So if you're running Google ads or Facebook ads, you can add your pixel right here, and you can retarget the audience with ads and make even more sales. Okay, as you can see, another cool thing is that I don't have access to it, but you can actually connect your autoresponder to it. That's one of the OTOs. We will talk about the OTOs in a second. And you can essentially upgrade if you have the basic version and grab your visitors' emails addresses. Okay, so that's for even more advanced marketers. That's an option, so you can do this or not, but you can even generate a list from that, and then we can save and publish. So super easy. Let's try it right now. So campaign name, test art. My ClickBank ID is here. I'm not going to be adding the pixel code, and I'm going to pick the ClickBank University. Save and publish. That's all you need to do. So as you can see, my campaign is ready. The cool thing is that in the background, all the SEO stuff, all the backlinking is already working. Okay, so right now we can view the page, and as you can see, this is already done. And if we're gonna click right here, this is my affiliate link. Okay, so as you can see, my affiliate link is added right here, and it went to ClickBank, and this is the ClickBank 2.0 University website. So super easy to work with. As you can see, I created this campaign in under a minute. All the SEO stuff is automated for you, and from this point on, you can just sit back, relax, because this page will be ranking on the first page on Google. And because all of these products that we saw, the ClickBank University, TEDs, Woodworking, etc., they are best-selling products on ClickBank, so people actively search for reviews and bonus pages and pre-sale pages on Google. That's why you're going to be getting all that traffic. Okay, now another cool thing is that we can click on instant traffic right here, and we can, I'm going to select the campaign, and we can just share our campaign on all the social media, which is great for two things. You can get instant traffic from the social media, and also it's a big massive signal to Google that people are sharing your pages. So Google doesn't really know if you're sharing or someone else is sharing. That's a social signal, which is a great boost to your page. So we have all of these. We have Blogger, we have Dig, Evernote, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google Plus. I think you can share it via Gmail, etc. So you can share your campaign everywhere and get instant traffic plus all the social signals. Okay, so guys, that's my one-page profits demo, and as you can see, this is super simple to work with, to set up. All of the actual SEO backlinking stuff is done for you automatically in the background. So I hope you see that this is super powerful and easy to work with. Any beginner can start doing this instantly. Okay,